Hey there. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use the weekly meal planner with grocery list template step by step. If you're tired of the nightly scramble of figuring out what's for dinner, this spreadsheet is about to make your life a whole lot easier. Let's start on the dashboard. This gives you a quick overview of your meal planning setup. You can see your meals planned for the week, your estimated grocery spending, and how well you're sticking to your food budget. Everything updates automatically as you fill in the other tabs, so the dashboard always reflects where things stand right now. Now let's look at the weekly meal plan tab. This is the heart of the template. Every day is laid out with columns for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. Monday breakfast, overnight oats with blueberries. Monday dinner, chicken stir fry with rice. Tuesday lunch, turkey and avocado wrap. You can plan the whole week in about 10 minutes. And once it's filled in, you never have to stand in front of the fridge wondering what to make. Next up is the recipe book. This tab stores up to 50 of your favorite recipes. For each one, enter the name, category, servings, prep time, and ingredients list. Your chicken stir fry might list chicken breast, broccoli, soy sauce, garlic, rice, and sesame oil. Once your recipes are saved here, planning your week is as easy as picking from your own personal cookbook. Here's where it gets really useful, the grocery list tab. You enter each item with the quantity, category like produce or dairy, and estimated cost. 2 pounds of chicken breast, $6. 1 bunch of broccoli, $2.50. A bag of rice, $3.75. Check items off as you shop, and the total at the bottom keeps your spending in check. Now let's look at the pantry inventory tab. This saves you from buying things you already have. List what's in your pantry, fridge, and freezer with the quantity and expiration date. Olive oil, 3/4 full. Brown rice, 2 pounds. Frozen chicken, 1 bag. Expires August 15th. Cross-reference your grocery list before heading to the store. No more coming home with a third jar of cumin. The meal prep schedule tab is perfect if you like to batch cook on the weekend. Enter which meals you're prepping, what day, and how many servings. Sunday, cook the stir-fry base for 4 servings. Portion overnight oats for 5 mornings. Chop all vegetables for the week. It turns a chaotic Sunday afternoon into a focused session that sets you up for the whole week. And finally, the grocery budget tab. This tracks your food spending over time. Each week, log what you plan to spend versus what you actually spend. Week 1, budgeted $80, spent $74. Week 2, budgeted $80, spent $86. Over a month or two, you'll spot clear patterns and know exactly where to adjust. Get the weekly meal planner with grocery list template today. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy meal planning.